Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the popular Milky Donuts. In a bowl, I'll add sifted flour. I'm using bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour as well. Sugar, powdered milk. I'm using instant yeast. For this, you don't need to prove it before use. Add salt. The salt should not have direct contact with the yeast. Mix dry ingredients together. Eggs, room temperature butter. You can use margarine as well. Warm water. Mix until you get a dough. I'll transfer the dough to a work surface and knead the dough for at least 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and stretchy. You can use your stand mixer to do this as well. To test if the dough is ready, cut a little bit of it and stretch it. If it doesn't tear and you can see through it like this, that means the dough is ready. Or you touch it with your finger, it will bounce back, then you know the dough is ready. I'll add a little bit of oil in the bowl and oil the bowl. Put the dough in the bowl. Cover it and leave it to rise for 1 hour until it doubles in size. One hour later, the dough has doubled in size. Punch to remove the air. And I'll transfer the dough to a work surface. I'll cut the dough into the size I'll be working with. To have equal size, I'll use a scale and I'm going for 80 grams. Then mold the dough into a ball shape, just like what you can see in this video. Seal it very well so it will open inside the oil. I'll put this aside and repeat this process until I am done. Next, I'll flour the tray and then transfer the rollout dough on the tray. Cover and leave it to rise for 40 minutes to an hour. Next, I'll be making custard filling. I'll add some egg yolks, add sugar, mix together. I'll be using cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use custard as well. And mix them together. Add vanilla extract. warm milk, and mix. I'll transfer it inside the pot. And take the pot to the stove top. Cook it on a medium to low heat. Keep stirring it so it won't form lumps. When it curdles like this, you know it's ready. I'll remove it from the stove. Transfer it inside a bowl to cool down. Cover it with a plastic wrap like what you can see in this video so it won't dry out. And I'll set that aside. 40 minutes later, the dough has risen. I'll remove the plastic wrap. Add some oil in the pan and start heating it up. I'll use a skewer to test the oil temperature. Once you see bubbles around the skewer, that means the oil is hot. Add the donut dough and fry on a medium to low heat. Once the dough are nicely fried on one side, flip to the other side and allow that side to fry as well. When the donuts are ready, remove them from the hot oil, transfer to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the donuts. Next, let's make the Milky filling. In a bowl, add liquid milk. Add condensed milk. Powder milk. Mix until it is smooth. This filling shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be too light. It should be like what you can see in this video. And this is ready. I'll be using a piping bag. I'll transfer the Milky filling inside the piping bag. And I'll set this aside. Another filling you can enjoy the donuts with, I'll use heavy whipped cream. You can use the powder one as well. Whisk it very well. Once it forms, I'll add condensed milk, vanilla extract, powdered milk, and whisk together. And it's ready. This is how it should be, not too thick and not too light. I'll transfer it inside the piping bag and you leave this in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Other fillings you can use is chocolate fillings and strawberry fillings, and I have all the fillings. They are ready. The donuts are ready for coating. In a bowl, add powdered milk, Coat the donut inside the powdered milk. I'll repeat this process with all of the donuts. If you're not making donuts, you can also coat them in sugar as well. The donuts are ready. I'll use a spatula to create a hole on the donuts. Then fill them up with the fillings. The donuts are ready. They tasted so delicious. Will you be trying it out? Let me know which of these fillings you prefer. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye!